Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I created this look right here. It's a kind of plummy smoky eye kind of with gold eyeliner. I've already set my eyes, so I'm just going to take off the excess powder, and I've done my eyebrows and everything. So once that powder's off, I'm using none other than the Morphe palette, only because it was the first palette that I could grab. So yeah, it's like a smoky plummy eye. But anyway, let's get started without further ado, because I'm actually running late. I'm going to pick up the Essential Crease Brush, this one right here by Real Techniques, and I'm going to pick up this colour Cliche, which is a pinky plummy colour. You must all know this. I'm going to pick this up and then I'm going to go in with that colour. So these two colours basically. So I'm picking up Cliche, generous amounts, and I'm just going to open my eyes a bit because otherwise I'm going to kind of put it in the wrong place. I'm just going to gently kind of put it in place. It's a really stunning colour. I'm not going to take it in a wing or anything like that, just like kind of close it off. It doesn't matter if it's on the lid because that's the kind of look that we're going for. I'm just going to close it off on this side as well. I'm just going to change brushes before I pick up that other colour, and this brush is the base shadow brush, just like that. So I'm going to pick up that other Vivarium colour. I'm going to kind of place it a bit above, but also kind of on top of this colour, just so it's a good kind of just take it a bit down. Now I'm going to take my Deluxe Crease Brush by Real Techniques and kind of blend it out. As I'm blending, the colour will kind of go, but that's okay guys, because we are going to pack some more on. I just like to do it step by step, if that makes sense, so that I know it's kind of well blended. Because I feel like if you have too much colour and you blend out, it's not easy to blend because you move a lot of colour out of place. But here we can just do it step by step. So when it looks like that, I'm going to go back in with a smaller brush, picking up Cliche and just deepen it all up again. And then just take that underneath the eye as well. And as you can see, it's kind of a halo eye, but it's dark in the middle because I just kind of wanted to do something different. I was kind of sick and tired of putting golds and silvers and nudes in the middle, so I just kind of wanted it to be a dark look. But if you don't like that, you can always put a gold in. Just like that. So you should look like this. Now I'm going to pick up the colour Excuse Me, this one. But straight on top I'm going to go in with that colour, which is called Illustrated. So I'm kind of mixing two together. Excuse Me is a really dark plummy colour, but anyway, I didn't want to wear lashes guys because I'm going to work, so I didn't want to kind of be too dark, if that makes sense. Not dark, sorry, too heavy. So yeah. Now I'm picking up Illustrated and putting that on top. I'm going to go back in with Excuse Me and just darken it all up a bit. I'm going to take a bit more of that cliche and then just drag it underneath. Like so. I'm just going to go around. I'm picking up the Collection Glam Crystals in 3 Funk, which is a goldy colour. And I'm not going to wing it out or anything. I'm just going to put it on top. And guys, don't blink because this will smudge. So kind of like just close your eyes for a bit. Just like this. Just kind of darken it a bit, go over it because I want it to be super bold. Just putting a bit more on this bit. And just there. Like so. We're going to take some mascara. This is a Maybelline The Falsies Volume Express. Whilst my eyes are like that, I'm going to apply some mascara, trying to open them. I do think this mascara is okay, guys, because remember, I think in one of my videos I had kind of mixed reviews on it, but I think every time someone has a new mascara, I feel like they have mixed reviews because kind of need to get used to it. Because I remember when I had this Rimmel one, I really didn't like it, but then I started loving it, and then I was depressed because I ran out and I didn't have any left, so I had to just use this because I had it spare. I really like doing simple looks, guys, without lashes because I kind of want it to be optional, if that makes sense. Like if you want to put lashes on top of this, then go for it, but if you don't, then you don't have to. And you kind of show people it's okay not to wear them. Don't get me wrong, I love lashes, but I just kind of want to keep it optional, if that makes sense. I just find it so hard to put mascara on my lashes. And it's really weird, guys, when I'm putting lashes on. It's easier. Sorry, I was listening to the phone that was ringing. I actually put on lashes better when I'm not on camera. I think on camera it's kind of like you need to get them done quick, like they're looking. But yeah. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up just any pencil brush. I can't even tell you what pencil brush this is that I'm picking up because that's how old it is. Like it says UBC, but I think a lot of people don't know what that is. And I'm going to pick up the colour Unique from this Morphe 15N palette and just put it in inner corners of my eyes for now. Just like so. I'm going to take a bit and highlight my brow bone. Just like so. I'm going to take off the excess powder under my eyes because I probably wouldn't walk out the house like this. Finished look. Really hope you like this look. Please do give it a thumbs up. Please do subscribe to my channel and share any videos that you like. Do leave your thoughts and comments down below and I will get back to you. Do also leave any suggestions, any videos you want me to kind of do. And by the way guys, I know I keep picking up this palette, but I think I'm quite comfortable with it. I am going to start doing more looks with different palettes, so do stay tuned for that. I love you so much guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.